channel. Today, we're diving into the process of pulling latex from its mold and revealing how it's done. For those new to latex molding, it's a crucial step in creating detailed props and special effects. Till the latex cures, it's time to carefully remove it from the mold. But how do you do that without damaging your piece? Let's find out. First, make sure the latex has fully cured. Depending on the thickness, this could take anywhere from a few hours to overnight. Gently flex the mold to loosen the latex from the edges. Next, start by loosening the edges of the latex. This is where patience is key. Gently work your way around, pulling the latex free without stretching or tearing it. Now, it's time for the big reveal. Slowly but firmly pull the latex from the mold. Notice how the details are perfectly captured. This is the moment where all your hard work pays off. Once the latex is free, inspect it for any imperfections. This step ensures your final product is up to the standards you need for your project. With the latex piece ready, it's time to bring it to life with some paint. Start with a base coat and then add layers of detail to make the texture pop. And there you have it, the final product. Straight from the mold and fully painted. Notice the fine details that make this piece stand out. Subscribe for more prop making tips. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more prop making tips and tricks. See you next time.